I use this trick every summer. The house smells wonderful and there are no flies or mosquitoes, all without spending a fortune. It works brilliantly. You need white candles, even ones that may have broken before, so you can put them to good use. Take a pot and fill it with water. Then place a bowl on top of the pot and put the prepared candles inside. Heat the pot until the candles melt. This method is called a water bath. Using the heat from the hot water in the pot, you can melt candles or even chocolate. While the water is heating up, prepare the lemons. Cut a lemon in half and scoop out the inside with a teaspoon. This is the easiest way. You'll also need small toothpicks to hold the wick in place inside the lemon halves. Attach the wick with the toothpick, then once the wax is melted, pour it into the lemon halves. Wait until the wax hardens and then remove the toothpick. Your beautiful candles are ready. Light them, and within seconds your home will be filled with a pleasant citrus fragrance. You can place these decorative candles on a table in the living room, on the terrace, or on the balcony. Enjoy summer evenings without mosquitoes and flies.